Literally long ago, before the moon and stars were in the sky, God created His Son. Jesus came to live on earth, where He healed the sick and showed